Hey, if you're like me, I'm always losing my keys, so I'm going to show you how to build a key holder and a chalkboard out of barnwood. This is a 1x3 piece of barnwood. I love this wood because it's got a nice gray patina. A lot of the times it has rough edges and it's got knot holes. What you want to do is cut back into solid wood. That way you start your project with a good clean cut and it'll go much smoother. Step one is to start by measuring 24 inches on your 1x3 piece of barnwood. Cut two 24-inch boards, then measure 12 inch on your 1x3 board and cut 4 of them. I found this old piece of plywood in the scrap pile. Now I'm going to use it for our backing. Step 2, take a piece of sanded plywood that's smooth enough to write on and measure 18 inches by 24 inches. So I've got everything measured. I'm going to quickly take this outside, put it on the table saw, and cut it to length. All right, now I've got my back cut down to size. I'm going to go ahead and start assembling. Step 3 is to place your two 24-inch boards on each side on top of your 18 by 24-inch plywood. Place one 12-inch board on top, 2 on the bottom, and the other one, that's going to be used for your ledge. And tack it in place. So these are the hooks we're going to use. If you have trouble picking them out, just think friendly octopus. Isn't that what it looks like? Step 4, screw in your double-headed hooks in each corner, right through the eyes of the friendly octopus. The last thing you do is paint your board with chalkboard paint. And I'm also a terrible painter. You don't have to be really neat with this, but it is a good idea to use 2 coats. Then let it dry for a couple hours and you'll be good to go. Okay, so once the paint dries, put a couple picture hooks on the back of it, make your to-do list, and then hang it on the wall. Now I know what I'm going to get and I know how I'm getting there. It's that easy.